Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how Swarm AI can transform employee feedback into the very fabric of your company's DNA? Well, today I'm diving into just that. First off, let's break down what Swarm AI actually is. Imagine a hive of bees. Each bee contributes a tiny bit of information, and together they make incredibly efficient decisions. Swarm AI works in a similar way. It aggregates the insights from individual employees, turning them into powerful, anonymized feedback. Now, why is this a game changer for companies? Traditionally, gathering employee feedback is a cumbersome process. Surveys, interviews, endless meetings. It's time-consuming and often inaccurate, but Swarm AI simplifies this by collecting real-time inputs from employees in a seamless, engaging way. Here's the magic part. Once the feedback is collected, Swarm AI uses advanced algorithms to analyze the data. It identifies patterns, trends, and key areas for improvement. This isn't just about finding out what's wrong, it's about understanding the core desires, needs, and aspirations of your team. Imagine being able to visualize your company's DNA. With Swarm AI, you can. The anonymized feedback gets turned into a dynamic, interactive map. This map reveals the strengths and weaknesses of your organization at a glance. Think heat maps, word clouds, and even 3D models, all generated from the collective intelligence of your team. This visualization empowers leaders to make informed decisions. Instead of guessing what employees need, you can address issues before they become problems, foster a culture of continuous improvement, and align your company's goals with the true pulse of your workforce. But it doesn't stop there. Swarm AI can also predict future trends. By continuously processing feedback, it helps you stay ahead of the curve. You can adapt to changes in employee sentiment, market dynamics, and technological advancements with agility and confidence. In essence, Swarm AI transforms feedback into actionable insights. It turns a potentially tedious task into a strategic advantage. And most importantly, it fosters a more engaged, satisfied, and productive workforce. So if you're looking to truly understand and harness the power of your employees' collective intelligence, Swarm AI is the way to go. It's not just about seeing what's on the surface, it's about diving deep into the DNA of your company and making it stronger than ever. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time!